Hello, welcome to 2050 Lab 10 Challenge. We're going to be applying a WMI filtering today. First, we're going to create a GPO named GPOE. In GPOE, we're going to configure the security option Interactive Logon. Do not require Control-Alt-Delete to be enabled. Then we're going to create a WMI filter so that the computers who do not have computer service enabled do not receive the GPOE. Then we're going to verify that 2050 RWDC2 receives this policy while 2050 RWDC1 does not. So let's begin the challenge. Alright, we're logged into our 2050 RWDC1 as the administrator of the domain. We're going to go into Group Policy Management. We're going to create a new GPO in this domain and link it here. We're going to call this Group Policy GPOE and click OK. Alright, now we're going to define the second part. We're going to go to our GPOE. We're going to edit. Now we're going to drill down. We're going to computer configuration through policies down to Windows settings, down to security settings, down to local policies, down to security options. There's all sorts of security options here. We're looking for the interactive logon. Do not require Control-Alt-Delete. I'm going to click on that. We're going to define this policy setting and we're going to enable this policy setting. We have enabled it. We're going to apply it and we're going to click OK. The next thing we're required to do is to create a WMI filter. So we're going to click on that. We're going to click New. We're supposed to call this WMI filter browser not enabled, no GPOE. We're going to add a query to it. Alright, we've created it where it will select from the Win32 service where the name is browser and start mode is disabled. So it will work on the one where the start mode is disabled. So we're going to click OK. It receives the query and we're going to click Save. So now we have that. We're going to go into our GPOE and we'll click OK. Now down here's the WMI filtering. We're going to click on this and we're going to click on our new WMI filter that we have selected and we're going to say yes. So now we have this as our WMI filter for the GPOE. We're in 2050 RWDC1 right now and we see that the startup type under our computer browser properties is disabled right now. We're going to change that to manual. Click OK. Then we're going to go over to RWDC2. Now we're going to go into the services here on RWDC2. We're going to go down to the computer browser. We'll click on that. We see that it is already disabled. Therefore, it will receive the policy. We're going to click OK. We're going to go into here, open a command prompt window. We'll force a global policy update. It's updating the policy. We're going to do the same on the other computer. And it says the user policy update has completed successfully. And then they're asking if we can restart. We're going to click yes. And as you can see, it opens straight up without requiring a Control-Alt-Delete on RWDC2 and on RWDC1. And you can see it asks for the Control-Alt-Delete to log on. So our group policy and our WMI filtering are correct, and we thank you for watching this demonstration.